Imagine airline industry without the presence of operations research. The business of moving people around can be complicated and expensive matter. Getting the maths right and making the passengers more satisfied while making millions of profit to business. Have you ever wondered why there is no flight available for General Santos City at night when there are 24/7 flights scheduled from and to Davao City? Have you ever wondered why there's only one flight a day from Jensen to Cebu City when there are four flights a day from Jensen to Manila City? Have you ever wondered why an airline company offers a piece of fare? And have you ever wondered why fares sometimes are low but are sometimes high even if it's not peak season? Those are the results of operations research study in their pursuit to solve airline problems such as network of flights, differing aircraft types, gate and airport slot, air traffic control restrictions, noise curfews, maintenance requirements, crew work rules, competitive, dynamic environments in which passengers' demands are uncertain and pricing strategies are complex, which resulted to schedule design, fleet assignment, aircraft maintenance routing, crew scheduling. If there is Superman to save our Earth, there's also operations research to help our airline industry to run smoothly, maximizing their profit while minimizing their cost.
Operations research is an analytical method of problem solving and decision making that is useful in management of organizations. In operations research, problems are broken down into basic components and then solved in defined steps by mathematical analysis. The field of operations research provides a more powerful approach to decision making than any other software or data analytics tool. Having an operations research professional can help companies achieve more complete data sets, consider all available options, predict all possible outcomes, and estimate risk. Additionally, operations research can be tailored to specific business processes or use cases to determine which techniques are most appropriate to solve the problem. For example, there's a plant nursery that plants different types of succulents. Not all succulent plant requires the same amount of sunlight, water, and wind. The greenhouse capacity is also limited, and each greenhouse uses electricity and water to keep the plants healthy. The plant nursery wants to maximize its profit and minimize their expenses. And by using operations research, we can optimize their operations to gain more income. Operations research is essential because it creates implementable solutions to complex business challenges. It uses data to create information, which can be used as an insight to improve the results and make better decisions about the future of the business.
Operations research is a quantitative approach that solves problems using a number of mathematical techniques. By studying operations research, we have the opportunity to solve real-life operating problems that real-life companies are facing. Operations research is applied to a lot of real-world use cases. To give you an example, assignment. Food delivery services, assigning Food Panda or Grab drivers to pick up orders and do the delivery to customers. A solid understanding of this subject allows us to be adaptable in a variety of settings. In our personal lives, when we need to make a decision but the circumstances are uncertain, or when different objectives are at conflict with one another, operations research can help.
The rules of operation research management is to design, plan, direct, improve the overall activities in the business. Operation research is really significant, particularly in the supply chain management. It empowers the industry to keep the wheels turning smoothly both in everyday situation and in times of crisis. Especially the transportation method, which is really highly useful in the industry I've worked in to minimize the cost of transportation in order to deliver our products in a wide variety of local and export customers across the food and feed industries.
Hi everyone, this video would like to present to you the significance of operation research in industry, academics, and personal lives. in industry, operations research has a big impact on its application of tools because it helps how to quantify a product that will earn amidst of any constraints that affect the process of producing the product. Thus, it aligns in the objective of the industry to maximize revenue and lessen the cost. And examples of that were maximize the profit, second, lessen the cost or the spending, and then the third is they could save cost from the tools that they used. And also in academics, by employing the operation research in academics, it would gain the students who have knowledge on the area of educating themselves from the result of their research. And this knowledge will also enhance the quality of the education and also an efficient in acquiring knowledge from studies with application of operational research. And in personal decisions, operational research is also important in our personal life because we make everyday decisions and we see to it that our decisions could have a better result as we would like to eliminate problems and pressures that challenges in our daily activities. One of the examples or the examples of this operational research which is applicable in our personal lives is household budgets. Then second, the decisions in acquiring personal assets. Then the third is future plans for the family members. With applications of operational research, personal decisions would have a chance of making it right. And
Operations research and its significance. Operations research, often shortened to the initialism OR, is a discipline that deals with the development and application of advanced analytical methods to improve decision making. Its goal is to maximize profit and lower the cost of operations. In today's world, all of us expect the things we want and need to be at our footsteps for our convenience. In hardware and construction supplies, it means stock should be complete and deliveries to customers should arrive on time. The biggest challenge is how we will be able to provide and meet customer requirements while maximizing profits and lowering the cost. Our solution, through operations research, is utilization of high-capacity delivery vehicles which can load for 2 to 3 customers' orders in one trip. Through this initiative, we were able to maximize our profit, meet customers' demands and requirements, and at the same time, we were able to lower the cost of our operations. Using operational research, we were able to satisfy the needs and wants of our customers. Matutom Hardware. Diri ang pinakabarato.
Operations research is being used when it comes to decision making, whether it is for business, academic, or even for our personal lives. So what is operations research? Operations research can be used for better departmental coordination because when the optimal result from operations research analysis are shared with all the departments, everyone works together towards the same goal. It is a helpful tool used to solve complex problems under uncertainty. In academic, operations research in quality education generates the responsibility of teachers in the teaching and learning process. Regarding the outcome, the scientific research methods examines the relationship between academic and research skills improvement of the faculty members. Meanwhile, the operations research plays an important role when it comes to personal lives because it helps an individual to make decisions. Let's say, for example, getting married is an important decision a couple should consider. We plan to marry because we want to feel happiness, love, affection, emotional stability. We want someone to lean on, share responsibility with, grow old together, and many others. Operations research can be used in this aspect by considering the cash on hand, the type of ceremony, the venue for the reception, how many will be invited, and among others. But many couples broke their promises to grow old together because they did not foresee the uncertainties.